Have you ever wondered what could happen to your health if you consumed salmon every single day? Today, we're diving deep into this question. Imagine a world where your dinner plate is graced with the pinkish hue of salmon every single day. Intriguing, isn't it? The taste, the texture, and the health implications? We're talking potential benefits and yes, even potential risks. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with us? In this video, we will uncover the truth about eating salmon daily. First off, salmon is known as a nutritional powerhouse. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fact backed by solid science. But what exactly does this mean? Let's break it down. Salmon is packed with high-quality protein. This isn't just any protein, it's complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for growth and repair. Whether you're looking to build muscle, recover from a workout, or simply maintain good health, salmon has got you covered. But that's only the beginning. Salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These aren't produced naturally by our bodies, so we need to get them from our diet. Omega-3s are crucial for brain health, helping to reduce inflammation, improve cognition, and even ward off mood disorders. So, you could say that eating salmon literally makes you smarter. And let's not forget about vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. It's notoriously hard to get enough of, especially in the colder months. Salmon, however, is one of the few food sources that's naturally rich in vitamin D, making it a great option for keeping your bones strong and your immune system humming. But wait, there's more. Salmon also boasts significant amounts of essential minerals like potassium, selenium, and zinc. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, selenium plays a key role in maintaining a healthy metabolism, and zinc is vital for a strong immune system and wound healing. Lastly, salmon is low in saturated fat and calories, yet high in B vitamins. These vitamins play a pivotal role in energy production, DNA repair, and reducing inflammation. In essence, each bite of salmon is a cocktail of nutrients that contribute to overall health and wellness. It's a one-stop shop for protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, all served up in a delicious, versatile package. So, on the face of it, salmon seems like an ideal food to consume daily, but is it really? We'll delve into that in the next scene. Stay tuned. Now let's delve into the specific health benefits of consuming salmon every day. First and foremost, daily salmon consumption is a boon for heart health. Salmon is chock full of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been scientifically proven to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and decrease triglycerides. These essential fats also help to slow the development of plaque in your arteries, reducing your chances of heart disease. It's like a daily dose of heart armor, right from the sea. Secondly, salmon is a brain food. The same omega-3 fatty acids that benefit your heart also play a crucial role in brain function. Research shows that they contribute to the health and integrity of brain cells, promoting mental clarity, improved memory, and even reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. So, whether you're studying for an exam, preparing for a big presentation, or just looking to keep your mind sharp as you age, adding salmon to your daily diet could be a smart move. Now let's talk about inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a multitude of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Salmon, with its high concentration of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that people who eat salmon regularly have lower levels of markers for inflammation, suggesting that this delicious fish could play a role in preventing chronic diseases. And let's not forget about the other nutrients in salmon. This fish is a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle health. It's also rich in B vitamins, which are key players in maintaining optimal energy levels and supporting a healthy metabolism. Plus, salmon contains a good amount of vitamin D, a nutrient many of us lack, especially during the winter months. Clearly, these benefits make a strong case for daily salmon consumption, but we must also consider the potential risks. While salmon is undeniably healthy, consuming it daily may also pose some risks. Let's dive into the details. Firstly, one of the potential risks associated with frequent salmon consumption is mercury contamination. While mercury is naturally occurring, it can accumulate in fish, including salmon, in a toxic form called methylmercury. Consuming high amounts of methylmercury can lead to neurological problems in adults and developmental issues in children. Various studies have shown that even low exposure to mercury over time can cause harmful effects. However, it's important to note that the mercury levels in salmon are generally lower compared to other types of fish, like shark or swordfish. Secondly, while salmon is a great source of protein, relying on it as your primary protein source may limit the variety of nutrients in your diet. It's always recommended to have a diverse diet to ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. Consuming only or mostly salmon can deprive your body of nutrients found in other protein sources like lean meats, legumes, and dairy. Lastly, let's consider the environmental impact. Overfishing is a significant concern globally, and salmon is no exception. Overfishing can lead to a decline in salmon populations, disrupting the balance of marine ecosystems. In addition, farm salmon, which is often presented as a sustainable alternative, can sometimes lead to environmental issues as well. These include water pollution and the spread of diseases to wild fish populations. Of course, these risks do not mean you should avoid salmon altogether. Instead, they highlight the importance of moderation and variety in your diet. Salmon can be a part of a healthy diet, but it's crucial to balance it with other nutrient-dense foods and consider the source of your salmon to minimize environmental impact. As you can see, the question of whether to eat salmon every day is not as straightforward as it might seem. So, should you eat salmon every day? We've explored the nutritional goldmine that is salmon, and its potential health benefits when consumed daily. However, we've also delved into the risks associated with overconsumption. The verdict? Moderation is advised. Enjoy the heart-healthy, brain-boosting benefits of salmon, but don't forget to diversify your plate. As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Remember, balance is key in nutrition. Enjoy your salmon, but also make room for a variety of other nutrient-rich foods in your diet.